Closing the first part out with one winner. One winner in the gym. Play for your second 500. One.
Yan, bingo ko.
The number one. Five.
Bingo!
Five last.
Yes! Bingo ko, bingo ko. Bingo ko. Thank you, Jesus. Huh?
In the monitor. Check.
Ay, 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 ay.
Last number. 29. 32. Free. 63. That's one.
Yes.
Jim.
No bingo.
Any others? Here I see no others. Close the second part out with one winner. One winner in the hall. Play for your 199. 21. 2-1. 43. 43 last.
Second one?
Yes.
Right?
Me.
You? All right. So we got 1, 2,
No
3,
bingo.
40, 60,
Thank you,
80,
Jim.
20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500.
Okay, thank you.
Check.
Yes, 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 yes.
Free space. 21. 43 last. 55. 68. That's one. Any others? Here I see no others. Close the last part out with one winner. One winner in the hall. Playing your fire and ice.
Bigyan ko sa church.
Your fire and ice pull tab in the monitor, ending in 6778. Fire and ice. This tab is played 3 times. Looking for your first 500. First number. 13. 13. 57. 57. 17. 17. 56. 56.
$10.
70. 70. 12. 12. 23. 23. 34. 34. 15. 15. 16. 16. 11. 11.